Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today I'm going to be giving you a review on the Grill Heat Aid stainless steel barbecue tool set. Don't go away. Alright, like I said, this is going to be a review of a stainless steel barbecue tool set. I was approached by a man named Marvin through email that had watched my shows, and he approached me about doing a review on one of his products because he enjoyed my show. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the product before we start actually doing the review. So what Marvin told me was that he was very health conscious and looking for a different way to cook. He found that grilling uses a lot less oil. You can actually eat leaner meats with grilled vegetables. He was a frequent camper and took his family on a lot of camping trips, so he wanted something that he could have that would be portable for when he grilled at all these camping trips. In his search to find the right tools for him to take with him when he traveled on these camping trips, he would find things that weren't solidly built. The handles would melt if you got them too close to the fire. The kits that they came in would fall apart, or they were just useless, bad tools. We've all been through there. So he decided to come up with his own. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. It is a little windy out. I am mic'd up. Hopefully the sound is good on this. So here we go. Plastic off of here. And it comes with nice latches there. There are no locks on it, but it does have some nice latches. I believe I have it upside down too. Let me flip it over. Oh, get a close-up of this. It's got the Grill Heat Aid logo on it. I just take that right off of there. And it's a nice shiny little emblem in there. You could probably even put your name in there if you wanted it. You got a nice latch. It doesn't look like you could damage these. They're pretty sturdy. Okay, nice handle in there. It's in there good. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Oh, that's some nice stuff in here. The thank you card. It's got a whole bunch of information in the card. A lot of thank you notes. You can send it back. Want to work to reserve any. I'll save this for at the end, but this is a nice little thank you card in there with the logo on it. And I'll just take the camera off the tripod and we can actually get a closer look. And there's the set, the complete set right there. Before I go into each individual tool, they are Velcroed in so they don't jangle around in the case while you're transporting them, which is a good idea, both sides. And then you have the styrofoam divider, which will keep them from scratching and getting and banging against each other. To start with, you've got the spatula right here. It's got a beveled edge on one side like a saw and a larger saw tooth on the other side. You can get in there and clean your grill grates with that. And just got to have a nice pair of tongs here for picking up stuff. We're actually probably going to use those when we do our bratwurst next, so we'll see how those work. Grill scraper right there. Don't want to really use that because I hate to get those things dirty. Well, I'm going to take this knife out. This looks like a pretty nice knife. Big, nice, long handle, so you can get into the grill without getting your finger hair burned off while you're trying to cut something. Got a fork, got a basting brush, and a ton of skewers. It's a nice case, waterproof, very sturdy, rivets in a number of places to hold it together. So, like I said, we're going to be doing bratwurst, so we will give this a try. The knife, the grill cleaner, the tongs. I can even put one on the skewer, I guess, and use that. But, yep, we'll give this a try. Coals are just about ready. I'm just going to do each piece on the table individually here. It's got, this is the spatula. It looks good. It's very sturdy. It's got the edges on there. It's got a bottle opener, it looks like, right there. The only thing I don't like, it is well balanced too, and very light, which is good. The only thing that I don't like is that where the handle and the actual tool meet, it looks like it's kind of, it doesn't look like it is all one piece. It's set in there. Sometimes rust gets in there and then it starts degrading right in that area. I like the spine to actually be attached to the handle all in one piece. But so far so good. That's just what I like. Just know is that sometimes rust gets in there. Here's our tongs. You've got one side is flat, the other side is rounded for picking things up. So we're going to try these out. Same thing with the bolster. The spine doesn't go all the way into it and turn into one piece. It is set in there. Again, water gets in there. Hard to clean. It makes it rusty, and then it's not a cleanable surface. So we'll try these out when we start making our brats too. Here's the grill brush. Very sturdy brushes on here. Same thing with the handle. Right there you can see that. This one's got a blade on it, so you can scrape either if you got a black stone or if you want to just get the crud off the top of your grates. Here, let's just use it right here. That's a very nice brush. Very good bristles on there. And the grate, you got the blade on the one side. No bottle opener on this one though. All right, let's go ahead and it is good. Scrapes it right off there. Not bad. First time, I would not put a lot of pressure on the grill brush when you're using it, because as you can see, again, there's a problem with that. With too much pressure on some of this stuff, it might just break at that point. So beware of that when you're using the brush, not too much pressure. All right, there's the knife. It is a good idea with this knife to have the length that it is. You want to trim something while it's cooking. It is a long knife. I would say that's probably about 18 inches right there. Very long. Problem is I'm worried about the handle. If you get it in there too much, the heat's going to travel up. But it does have some length on there. I don't know how sharp it is yet, but we will try that out as well. Here's the fork. Again, I worry about anything that's going to have some weight to it, like a brisket or a ham or a, you know, some kind of pork roast or something that you're doing on the grill, to pick it up. As you can see, it's kind of bendy and it doesn't have a lot of give to it. So, but it works. It's a fork. Here's your basting brush, standard equipment. It's you know, just make sure you clean it. Standard as all other equipment, but you're not going to be doing much with it except brushing down your meats or your dry rub on there with some sauce. So when you mop your meats. So, all right, there is the skewers. Comes on a couple of stops on these too, so you can put meat on there and keeps it from sliding off, or put it at the beginning to keep it from sliding down too far onto your where your handles are. These are pretty good too. I might throw a brat on one of these just to see how it handles under the flames. All right, here's the card that came inside the kit. Some information about it. And if you're not totally satisfied, you can let him know. And also website for the bonus gift with a password to access the free bonus gift of 786 Grill, customer service, some more information. So alright, I have one skewer on here, holds up pretty well. Now I'm going to use the tongs to flip our meat over. These work real well. A nice flip. I like the fact that they're round. They've got a lot of give to them, but they do pick up and they don't slide or slip, which is nice. And here's our knife. It comes with this. It's my favorite one, actually. I like this. I'm just going to hold the brat, and then we'll see how that knife is. Oh, slices right through. That's a good knife. Very good knife. Alright, well that was my review of the Grill Heat Aid stainless steel barbecue tool kit. If you're not satisfied with the product, you can email them and talk to customer service. And you can also access a bonus gift with a password that is on the card. I'm sure each card has an individual number on it. I'm not sure about that. But go ahead and hit the link below, like I said, and you will be able to go right to the Amazon page that has this on sale on Amazon. I'm going to give you my review grade now. I'm going to give it a B-. The reason it's getting a B- is because of one, the handle and the utensil didn't have the one spine. It was two pieces put together with a gap in there where rust can actually get in there and corrode it and not make it a cleanable surface, and that will degrade the utensil over time. I wasn't real happy with the weight portion of it. If you wanted to pick something up with the spatula, I just think that would probably bend the metal in that, and then you'd have to bend it back, and then that also will start corroding and degrading the piece of equipment. If you're know somebody that's just starting out, just bought a grill and they need some utensils, go ahead, and this is a good item to give them. The case is awesome. It's waterproof. It's stainless steel. The latches are nice. The handle's nice. I think if you dropped it down on the ground, on the concrete or something, or it fell out of your truck and it rolled down the hill, it would probably stay together well. It is a good set for camping, I will give you that, but just not recommended for everyday use for pit masters that are going at it every day outside grilling. If you want to travel a lot, this is the one to have. It's light, it's compact, it'll fit in the back of your car with all the other camping stuff, or if you want to go down the road and do something at a friend's house, take this along with you. You can help out in barbecue. That's my review. B-. Don't forget, the link is down below in my description box. Hit that link, it'll take you right to the site where you can purchase this, and you can see all the other specs about this product that aren't included in this review. A lot of information on that page. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you again right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.